Mario Brothers, and plumbing's a game. We're not like the others who get all the fame. When your sink is in trouble, you could call us on the double. We're faster than the others, you'll be hooked on the brothers.
It's me, Mario.
And the Luigi.
Are you tired of paying too much for plumbing? Mamma mia! That's why the Super Mario Brothers are here to save Brooklyn.
And the Queens.
And your wallet.
Thank you, Super Mario Bros. It seems like the only thing you haven't drained is my bank account.
Forget the expensive plumbing companies where you're just a face. With the Super Mario Brothers, you're family.
The brothers.
Wow, you were great.
I was great. Are you kidding me? You were great.
I am so glad we spent our life savings on this commercial.
That is not a commercial. That is cinema.
What about the accents? Is it too much?
Too much? It's perfect.
Wahoo!
Okay, I'm gonna trust you.
Well, well, well. If it isn't Brooklyn's favorite failures, the stupid Mario Brothers.
Oh, great. Spike's here.
Hey, Spike.
Yeah.
It's a me!
Ooh, yeah.
Tell me, have you even gotten one call since you left me to start your dumb company?
As a matter of fact, Spike, we have.
Wow, really?
Yeah. Our mom called and she said, "Oh, boys, that's the best commercial I've ever seen." And I said, "Thank you very much, Mother. We're very proud of it." So, boom!
Good luck running a business with this, idiot.
Say that again about my brother, and you're gonna regret it.
Oh, yeah? Get this through your tiny brain, Mario. You're a joke, and you always will be.
Are you insane? He's 3 times your size.
Luigi, come on. You know, you can't be scared all the time.
You'd be surprised. Hello, Super Mario Brothers. Uh-huh. A drip in your faucet, that's great. I mean, that's great you called us because we can be there and we can fix it right away. Okay. Mario, we got one! The Super Mario Brothers are in business! Oh no, we're gonna be late.
No, we're not. Come on, let's go.
Hey, wait up!
This way. Come on, Lou, step on it.
Here you go. Oh, Mario, what are you doing?
Hey, get off of there.
You can't be. Sorry. So sorry.
Come on, Luigi, up those legs.
Oh, I'm trying. I got bad knees. Oh, wow. We have hit the big time.